Hi guys, my friends and my relatives know about my madness about the bonsais. So one of my friends get me that bush. He told me that he saw a random guy throwing that in a trash can. So he brought that to me. He thought it might be useful for me, and yes, he was right. It is gonna be an awesome bonsai. When my friend take this one to me, there was no leaves on it. But by seeing these messy roots, I can easily tell that it's a banyan. It got three trunks. Two trunks are longer and one is the shorter one. So first I'm gonna reduce the height of the longer trunks. Then I will try to fit that in a pot. Look at that long messy roots. Ficuses feed their most of energy to the roots, so it can easily survive the harsh weather conditions. Every plant got its own survival mechanism. So ficuses and bananas always grow big and gigantic in their natural habitat. These are very tough species. That's why I am pretty sure it's gonna survive. If that was some other species, I might have thrown it away. But bananas are always worth trying to save. You might be thinking I am cutting too much, but no need to worry. But don't worry, it's gonna okay be for that tree. There is lots of feeder roots. With the proper care, it will bloom again. And that last root was pretty big. You can see me struggling while cutting it. You might thinking I should use a saw to cut that one, but I always avoid using the saws because pruner provides the clean cut and this tough root is gone now. I'm trying to use my scissor to cut that long roots, but unfortunately that scissor could not do the work. Next few minutes I'll just spend cutting all that unesthetic roots, so I am fast forwarding that part. You can see that big root stump. It's going to be an awesome nibari. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a unique looking bonsai in my collection. For now, I am putting it into a food plastic tray. It's a temporary tray. In the next spring, I will convert it into a bigger pot. Until then, that tray will train the roots to grow vertical. Most of my viewers don't like to watch that part of repotting videos. That's why I am just fast forwarding that part. At the end, I want to show you the result after the 15 days. If you want to see the future progress of that tree, please subscribe to the Ravi Bonsai.